approaching a start. There they go. They're off and trotting. Diamond Mind is leaving out. Buckling Banbury at the rail. Honeymoon is over third into the turn. Zip the Lip comes up fourth. Off stride at the rail. D.D. Pucker jumped it off. Callie Van Hanover moving into fifth. Delta Dental sixth. Salzbrook Balance seventh. Now D.D. Pucker trails. Going to the first quarter, led by Buckling Banbury. In line to Corey McPherson. Diamond Mine second. Honeymoon is over third. Zip the Lip trots up fourth with Callie Van Hanover fifth. Delta Dental goes sixth. Salzbrook Balance seventh. At the back is D.D. Pucker, 29. And 4 opened it up as they round the upper turn for the first time. They're chasing Buckling Banbury. On the rail, Diamond Mine second. Zip the Lip makes a move. Trotting up third on the outside. Following him on the outside, fourth, Callie Van Hanover. Honeymoon is over now, trapped in fifth. Delta Dental is third over sixth. Salzbrook Balance out seventh. And trailing eighth is D.D. Pucker. Headed for the paddock turn, led by Buckling Banbury, half a mile in 1:01. Zip the Lip on the outside is at the wheel. Trotting third in the pocket, Diamond Mine. Callie Van Hanover outside in fourth. Honeymoon is over with nowhere to go, fifth. Delta Dental trots up sixth. Salzbrook Balance back to the pylon seventh. D.D. Pucker is eighth. They approach three quarters. Buckling Banbury still holding them off. Zip the Lip on the outside. Third at the rail is Diamond Mine. Callie Van Hanover, no advancement quite now on the outside. Up the rail goes Honeymoon is over. 3/4 in 1, 31 and 3. Homeward bound in the open trot. Buckling Banbury, Diamond Mine up on the outside is second. Third, as they trot down the lane, Honeymoon is over. Buckling Banbury looks to double up Corey McPherson. Second is Diamond Mine. Honeymoon is over, will finish third. 2:02 and 2.